What is up, guys? Going to here. So Google Chat. What is Google Chat? Well, it says here that Google Chat is a secure communications tool designed to provide easy business communications within the Google Workspace ecosystem. Now, I know this is a lot to chew, but let's break it down. So the Google Chat was initially called Google Hangout or just Hangout, which served more as a social media just like WhatsApp for people to communicate. But its actual purpose was to create a workspace where people can like carry on business discussions and so on, but it didn't have the features needed for that. So people started diverting from the Hangouts to other apps because they needed standard messaging apps for them to create rooms and communicate in teams. I could remember I knew about this app, I knew that it was well functional, but then along the line I didn't hear of it, I didn't know what was wrong until now. So after this happened, then this was where Google Chat came in. Google Chat has been designed in such a way that modern teams can create rooms and communicate in groups to ensure more effective and interactive communications. And it takes that one-on-one communication that the Hangout had and expands it and makes it more useful for people who just want to do business or just communicate in groups. So now we can say that Google has given the customers what they wanted. Now the Google Workspace is a kind of like ecosystem created by Google, which is made up of so many apps, like for example the Duo, the Google Meet, the Gmail, and every other Google app you can think of. Now this is just Google's strategy. This is what Google has been known for long. They create all these services so they can serve you better for different purposes. Just like the Google Chat, for example. This is what so many business people have been complaining for, and now they are finally gotten it. So at the end of the day, the Google Chat is just another app that sort of fits into the Google ecosystem or workspace and does what it is meant to do excellently. So this is just Google being Google. So if you are someone who has been curious about the Google Hangout or what happened to the Google Hangout, or you are just that business person that has always wanted an app to interact, well, now you know. So that's been it, guys. Hope this video was helpful, and make sure you comment down below what you think about the development that Google has done, because this is just their thing. And if you are not subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, you might as well hit the like button. And yeah, I'll see you guys around. So I'm signing out.